But why should people work with you guys? Like honestly, like yeah.
Yeah, so first of all, we have a lot of experience with, many types of deals, complex deals with public companies for 6 and 7 figures, and small deals for Amazon accounts and just regular buyers. So we have dealt with so many different situations. So we really know how to sell and buy almost any business or any account. If there's anything that needs to be told, we will tell you the truth, even if it's not what you want to hear, because
Mhm.
the most important thing for us is to be honest and transparent. We also have hundreds of customers from all over the world, many reviews on Google about our agencies, like the videos we did with you. We have whole guides about how to buy and sell accounts. There's a lot of advantages of working with us. And Omer, do you want to add anything about that?
I just want to add that, whoever you decide to do business with, whether it's us or anyone else, speak to them first, search them, Google them, ask for recommendations. Don't be afraid of that. Okay. You need to feel comfortable to work with the people you're working with. That there's a lot of money involved here. There's lots of scams, by the way, with regards to buying and selling Amazon accounts. We didn't touch this in
Yeah.
this video, but many sellers are extremely afraid to hand over their account details. I can tell you, we know of so many friends and colleagues that got scammed. They sent over something, they were supposed to receive payment, didn't happen, then they blocked them. There's nothing really you can do, once the payment's made. Make sure that you're working with someone you feel comfortable with. And until you feel comfortable, I would not recommend working with them, with anyone. So yeah, that's the most important tip.
Basically, we take this whole process of selling the account or buying an account from the starting stage to the end. Even a few months after you did a deal with us and you have any questions, anything you want to know, we are still in this business for many years to come and we're not going anywhere. So post-sale, support is something important that also you need to make sure that you have. If you need anything after the deal, you need to know that you have someone to refer to. Another thing is when you're looking to buy or sell an account by yourself, you most times find yourself on, Facebook groups, Telegram groups that, like Omer said, there are many scammers over there. The most important thing is to know who you're dealing with, not waste the time and headaches for, many people asking you details and it's not relevant and, many people trying to scam you. You can just save all these headaches and issues by finding a suitable trusted broker like us. Like Vova said, we have the forms down in the description. If you're looking to sell an account, buy an account, even only get an evaluation to understand,
Mhm.
where you're standing right now and what you should do next, then feel free to contact us with these forms. And yeah, thank you so much for having us, Vova. It was a great time speaking with you.